Got 21 bullets inside of this clip and I'm ready to unload this. You put
All right, you ready? Are you ready to go? Go? G-O. Are you ready to go? Go? G-O. He ain't got no business. He ain't got no business. He ain't got no business fucking with mine. He ain't got no business. He ain't got no business. He ain't got no business because he can't afford mice. Them haters ain't got no paper. Haters ain't got no paper. Haters ain't got no paper because he can't afford mice. He ain't got no business. He ain't got no business. He ain't got no business because he can't afford mice. Got no paper. Them haters ain't got no paper. Them haters ain't got no paper because he can't afford mice. Hold on. He ain't got no business. He ain't got no business. He ain't got no business because he can't afford mice. Business. He ain't got no business. He ain't got no business fucking with mice. All right, welcome back to my channel. I am a highest artist. If you don't know me, I make grills, I make shoes, I do a lot of different art. And one thing at this channel, you're going to find some amazing jewelry, rings, grills, pendants will be okay here. So listen, look what we got. Oh my God. So I want to do the unboxing of this kennel. Kim. Some people call it Kim. I call it kennel. I don't know. Why do I call it Kim? I don't know. Y'all just please forgive me. But it's actually a furnace for to do jewelry investing. If you want to cast rings, if you want to cast bracelets, if you want to cast necklaces, if you want to cast grills. We're going to be doing a review of this. So, you, come on over here. Come on over here right now and let's get started. All right. So, you have to see me, but this thing is pretty big. So I can't wait to open this up. So it's affordable. It only cost me $300, y'all. Literally $300. So why am I using this? Okay, let's talk about this. Let's talk about the difference between my net craft that I have right here. Okay, my net craft with the knobs. Let's talk about this. Okay, the reason why I got this is because I am not good with time. Okay, I am not good with time, and time matters when it comes to investing. Time matters when you are trying to get the right cats. Okay, and so this is actually cost $300, y'all. This costs $300. And I don't know if I can take it out, but let's see. I might have to have my husband come help me. OMG. Look, they gave me more. I don't even know what these things are called. Ain't that bad? I've been doing jewelry for years. I don't even know what these things called, but I know that it clamps on to the hot uh, crucible or flats. Okay, because I got some right here. See? Boom. And then we got some right here. These ones automatically stay open. These ones seems like you can open and close them yourself. Okay, so that's a good thing. So it's not just the kiln that comes in here. Ooh, I'm gonna use this for something. I don't know what, but I'm not throwing it in the trash. I'm using it for something. Look, they gave me more red gloves. OMG. So I have a thing of red gloves in there already. Okay. So I'm gonna just put everything right here. Let me move this knife. Okay, so comes with instructions. Tough tool And guess what? It's an electric melting furnace. And you don't need an electrician. You do not need an electrician for this. Okay? And it just gives you some directions. It is in Celsius, I believe still. I'm gonna read up on this. And I can't wait to do my first investment. So the next video will be my first investment. Okay, so how in the world I'm gonna get this out here? Let me go get my husband. Okay, so he's gonna go ahead and get it out the box. So I think you might want to turn it up. I'll let you handle it.
Let's see. Oh, this could come straight up.
I want to get these things out first. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna keep this box. You never know what I might need it for. All right. Thank you so very kindly. Okay. So, got my knife here. So it's not too big. It's just right. With my knife here. Okay, let me see. So this is what it looks like. A little dusty, but you know, this is what it is because we're working, right? Okay. That bird is going crazy, ain't it? That bird is going crazy. So, yeah. Hold on. Y'all look, my son is passing me a note. Sure. He passed me a note, y'all. But he's not trying to interrupt. He's not trying to interrupt the video, guys. So, all right, so I'm gonna throw this in the trash and be right back. So, I'm back. Now let's do a comparison, okay? This is taller, this is bigger and wider. This is much wider, this is much skinnier, as you can see. Let's take the tape off of here. Let's see what we got going on here. I can't wait to open it in the inside, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to get this tape off there to the best of my knowledge. Okay, there's the tape. All right. Okay. So it also came with a plug. Get all the plastic off there. Now, we got the knobs down here, we got the on and off button. Now where is, I just had, oh wait, here's the cord. You do not need a electrician. Hey, okay. Now I can imagine the bill, but I do have an extension cord, just in case the 12 gauge extension cord. Let's plug this in the back here, okay? Plug it in there really good. Might need to scoot this over in the middle because the cord is right there. I might need to. Okay, let's see. Now let's go ahead and open this up to compare. Wow, it is really small. Just a little small, but I guess it will do. So let me go get some of my flasks. So it's actually really small, but I believe we can make it work. One moment. So let's see if we can get at least one of these in. So this is a 3x4, okay? And yeah, it works. You cannot get two of them in. This is a really small flask. So only thing will work is one, okay? You're only gonna have to do one investment at a time. I think we can get a little bit higher, probably a little bit fatter investment. Let me see, 1 second. This is my other investment. I'm sorry, it's dirty as hell, but we can get that one in there too. Yep, that one can actually go in there. So this one is a bigger investment. So I do need to clean it. So yeah, so we're going to do some investment. Let's go ahead and close this. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can actually set it. So let's move in close. Okay. Do I got it plugged in? I don't have it plugged in. All right, so I moved it in close. Let's go ahead and see if we can do some setting of the of it. Let's see what it does when you turn it on. So I plugged it in. I'm gonna turn it on. And I'm gonna hold P. P, maybe. Okay, nope. I'm gonna hold U. So when it blinks, that tells you that it's on. So this is how you set it. But I'm gonna turn it off. So yeah, it works. So we're good to go. So I'll be using this flask. Definitely this flask on this 2 days sometime. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and read some of the instructions and give this baby a go. So I'm gonna give this baby a go and we're gonna be back. The great thing too, real quick, I'm sorry y'all. I went ahead and got different investment. I went ahead and got the Prestige Optima. I did have Randolph and Ransom. So I'm gonna see if that has anything to do with my casting. And we're gonna test it out. So definitely, if you want to start a jewelry business and you're on a budget, this is the company, Vevor, to be able to go ahead and get you a furnace to get started. Now remember, only one flask can fit in there. So yeah, that's the only thing. But anyhow, stay tuned to see how this works.